వేళ్ళు నాక్కునేలా మూతులు నాక్కునేలా. Welcome to another session with your Vahchef, and today I'm going to make another double masala chicken biryani. Wherever I go, I eat lot of recipes, especially biryanis, and if I like something, I always bring it back to you. Not only outside, but even in the MasterChef kitchens, there are certain recipes which made me say, wow, Vahrehvah. And even those recipes I will be sharing with you. But if you have not been following MasterChef Telugu, it is on Gemini TV, 8:30 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Do watch. And for this biryani, we're going to start off with a little bit of oil, because later we're going to do some ghee touch for the chicken. And in this, add whole garam masala, some shahi jeera, and we're going to flavor it with coconut and with the coconut powder. And when you add the coconut powder to the oil, when it gets browned, it gives a flavor, and the coconut powder disappears by dissolving and giving the flavors. So let this cook till you see this coconut powder slightly brown. Time to add onions, add salt, and let it cook for a few more minutes. For this recipe, the onions need not get brown, but they need to be soft, literally hugging the rice and give the nice juicy effect for this biryani. So just 2-3 minutes of frying should be good enough. In professional kitchens, we use the word mise en place, means everything in its place. So for example, I am cooking something here, and you see all the ingredients arranged in such a way so that my cooking becomes very easy. So when they say mise en place, that means everything in its place, so that your process of cooking becomes a lot more easier. Even if the cook has to make 50 kinds of recipes, if they are arranged in such a way, it becomes very easy. Here, the onions are slightly sauteed. In this, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. In this, add some turmeric. Now, add tomatoes, mint, green chilli, coriander, and the masalas. Some garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and mix all of this. Add chicken pieces. So 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Put the lid on and bring it to a nice boil. The chicken has to be literally fully cooked. Nice, juicy, but perfectly cooked. After around 15 minutes of cooking, the juices from the chicken has come into the gravy, and all the masalas, the flavors have come into the chicken. But here is the ghee. In this, add chilli powder, some garam masala powder, biryani masala. In this, add green chilli, and also, we're going to add some curry leaf. Tear the curry leaf, add to this. Now, from this, we're going to take the chicken pieces, add here. Get all the chicken pieces out and add it in this pan. A little bit of salt. And we're going to toss this later, but let's add rice into this water. We're going to add the soaked basmati rice. Even you can use the regular, sona masuri or any short grain rice also will be fine. This will be so flavorful, I'm telling you, you will thoroughly enjoy. And the chicken that is tossed in the ghee is out of the world. So now, let this cook, but always check the salt once again. I think I can add some more. Okay. And mix it once, put the lid on, and cook it as if you're cooking biryani. The rice has to be perfectly cooked. Put the lid on and let this cook. When this is almost getting done, I'm going to show you how to finish this chicken. When the moisture is almost getting absorbed, let's move it on to the another stove and bring back this pan. You remember we added ghee and the chicken. This chicken is fully cooked. We are slowly going to fry this, but you want to add some moisture. You do not want it to dry out. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curd and let these cook together. This chicken is going to be so tasty along with that biryani rice. I know, I am obsessed. I'm in love. I go crazy for biryanis. We Hyderabadis, little bit of chicken and rice, you combine it, we fall in love. So, and so many variations, so many varieties. This is another one which I really loved, so I wanted to share it with you. Look at this, it forms a gravy, but you need to cook till it is slightly dried out. Look at it, when the ghee starts showing up, that's when you got to say, enough. Now, for the service, just few pieces of chicken, one more, a little bit of masala, that should be good, and full flavored rice. Good God, this is, let's give it a little bit of press and the usual, the ulta fry recipe. Okay, that's it. Along with this, serve the raita. Sometimes very simple method of cookings yield awesome taste and aroma. This is one of those, the double masala chicken biryani. Just try it and you will just love it. It doesn't work for me, and wow, the rice is way too hot, but still with your fingers. The beauty about this recipe is every chicken piece has been double cooked, double masala fried, and soft and juicy. Along with raita, my goodness, this is burst of flavors. The best part of eating in my kitchen is no spoon, no fork, full love. Yesterday on MasterChef Telugu, we asked the home cooks to make drinks. Don't mistaken it to be simple drinks. Mixology is an art of mixing, combining flavors and drinks where every occasion is made into a celebration. There is one drink that rekindled our childhood memories, which was lip smacking and finger licking good. I call the drink a stroke of genius. వేళ్ళు నాక్కునేలా మూతులు నాక్కునేలా వెరీ వెరీ టేస్టీ డ్రింక్. మరి ఆ డ్రింక్ పేరు ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ డ్రింక్? Tonight it's going to be even more amazing. So do not forget to watch Gemini TV 8:30 PM MasterChef Telugu. రాత్రి 8:30కి MasterChef Telugu Gemini TVలో.